What's up, guys? It's your girl Di, and I'm back again with another video. And today I'm going to be showing you how you lay acrylic for beginners. Alright guys, let's get right into the video. I'm going to start with the pinky nail. So the first thing you need to do, or the first place you need to place your bead, is right here where the natural nail and the tip meet. So right there. And if you start your bead right there, this is going to set you up to automatically have a good apex for your nails. And this bead is going to be the biggest bead that you do use for your nail. And you want to work that down the nail and let it set before you start pulling on the actual nail. So I work that down, and I'm just gonna kind of like flatten out where I started the bead at. Make sure my sides are good. Hey guys, so if you like this video and you want to see more videos like this every day, please subscribe to my channel. I'll have videos like this coming out pretty much every day. And once you are subscribed, go in my comment section and let me know that you're subscribed so I can go ahead and shout you guys out. Definitely keep those sides cleaned up really good. So in the end, you won't have to do much filing it out or much shaping. Okay, now that's my first bead. Now I'm gonna go in with my second bead, and this bead is gonna be smaller than the first. It's gonna be a medium bead. Lay that down, you pat it how you want to, where you need to have it, and then you just kind of pull it down. And if you did your first bead a large bead and your second bead a medium bead, you're gonna already, be building that nail up the way it needs to be. Now for this third bead, I'm gonna use a small bead because you never need much at the cuticle. So I'm going in with this small little bead. Now I'm gonna just repeat the same step for the rest of these nails. Go in with your biggest size bead that you're gonna need right there at the natural nail and the fake tip. Pat it down where you need it on the nail. Make sure you're getting it all on each side, not just the middle. Just kind of make sure that nail is pointing down so that the acrylic can just flow where you need it to. And then I just work it, and I'm smoothing out my bead. Smoothing it out how I want it to, making sure the sides look good. Okay, and I'm gonna go in with my medium bead. And I like to place that pretty much right over the first one. Pat it down. Make sure the sides are good. Kind of push the acrylic over if it kind of went to the side before I pull it down. Now I'm gonna go in with my small bead. Okay, and I'm gonna move on to my next nail. As you can see, it does have an apex. And it's not hard to get your apex. Just follow that specific method that I said as far as first bead large, second bead medium, small, last bead small. Put it down, pat it down where you need to, and while you're holding the nail down, it's gonna just kind of gradually go down itself. And clean up my sides while I'm letting the nail just kind of flow into place. Now, once it's set a little bit, I'm gonna go in with my brush and just very gently pull the acrylic down the nail. You don't want to be pulling it all hard, and no, it doesn't take that at all. Just pull it soft and then clean up the sides. Make sure you keep, every time your brush go down, make sure you're cleaning it good. Okay, go in again with my medium bead. Place it down, pat it down. Make sure the acrylic, is on the edges, not just the middle of the nail. Make sure it's not on the sides. Okay, then when you got that how you want, go on with your small bead, which will be your cuticle bead. And if you didn't use as much acrylic for that second bead that you probably needed, you can go in with a little bit more for the cuticle bead. Okay. You can see it's not a flat nail. I'm gonna go in with another large bead. As you can see, the acrylic pulled down the nail itself. Now all you have to do is just make sure it's on the whole nail. Clean up the sides. Go in. Smooth it out. Kind of take out the rest of that acrylic at the bottom that I don't need. And I can move on to my next bead. Go and pick up a medium bead. And typically when I do my middle bead to actually build the apex, I kind of drain that bead out just a little bit so it's not moving down the nail, because you want most of the acrylic to stay at the top. To achieve that apex. Then I'm going to go in with my small bead of acrylic. And this is all you have to do, guys. It doesn't take doing big beads for the whole nail. Continue to go in. If you follow that method, I'll guarantee you won't have any problem with your nails being too bulky and not having the apex. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you on my next one. Bye.